here my first RF lens, Canon RF 15-35mm F2.8 L USM, and I'm so hyped about it. This is my first big purchase in terms of lens, and the lens actually arrived first instead of the body. If you want to know which body that I decided to purchase in 2020, you have to watch the next video. Let's get into it, shall we? I'm not sure what is inside. This is my first time opening it. You see, like, this is probably kind of like warranty and stuff. I'll put this one aside. And then, yeah, as usual, you know, the camera thing back, or lens back. And then let's move this one up and see what is inside. Lens hood, lens cap or lens hood, I don't know how you call it. And yeah, first one. And then also let's take the lens out. Whoa, man, this is so good. This is my first lens ever, and smell like a fresh new car. Really love it. It is heavy than I anticipated. Of course, you know, on paper you kind of had an idea what kind of weight it is, but I come from Nikon mirrorless D5500, very old camera, and it's time for me to you know, get a new camera. And then throughout my research, I decided to switch into Canon RF system, and a lot of research that I've done. Then also I researched what kind of lens that I should get first. Initially, I thought that I would buy the 24-105mm F4L, the Pro version variant, with more versatile option that you can use, and then you can small size and then less heavy than this one. But I think for my shoot or my style, I prefer, I think, to use the wider lens. And it's definitely not cheap, but you know, when you buy into the system, lens is actually the thing that you should consider first, and then maybe down the line you can upgrade your body. And then I decided to pick this one up, and yeah. And then here you got you know, as per usual, the autofocus manual and also image stabilization on and off. And then 15-35 with the lens cap in it. Oof, the first time I open it up. So if you want to see that, man, it looks so big. Cannot wait to really test this. But I expect actually the body would arrive today, so I'll try to make a video out of that as well. And then just don't forget to like and subscribe, and then you will know what kind of body that I decided in 2020. And yeah, in terms of the body quality, I think it really looks solid. You know, it's Canon. That's what you hope that it would get. I do not own any of EF lens, but from the research that I found, that they're made from the, I think, metal or something, and then seems like quite durable. And then I do not know how durable is this case if you drop it, and so on and so forth. I hope it would last you longer. And then I got a feeling that actually Canon push all their resources to our system, and then that's why they decided to make a lot of good lenses option for RF mount. Because of that, I think it's always a good thing to consider the switch into the RF system, I think. And then yeah, cannot really wait to test this one. And what else that I can say about this? I think I'm gonna use it for few weeks or months. I think at least a month, and then I'll try to review it afterward whether I like it, and see what I think that I miss about it, and so on and so forth. And then for that, I think it's only fair for you if you really use it, then and then you can say your opinion about the lens, whether it's a good purchase or not. But for now, I really like the lens. It's really good from the back. Let's see, open the back. It's also from the back. It's really awesome. I hope I can put this one back in. Let me see. Yeah, put back in. So let's see if I can zoom in. Yeah. So as you guys already know probably that when you go to 15, the lens a bit move up, as you probably already know. And then when fully locked, it's actually at the 35 millimeters, and the lens not really protrude out. And then I thought there is a lock button for this one. No, apparently not. So there is no locking button on this one. I thought that we have it, but apparently it's not. And it's nice and smooth actually, the zoom in and out, and the focus also nice. And you can also see that the clicking noise there for controlling. I plan to use this one probably for ISO. And then the stabilization there, also the manual focus and autofocus as well there. So again, thank you guys for watching, and I guess I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.